Hey guys, good evening. This is One Punch Algo. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to add my plugin OnePunch Algo version 1 and for new accounts how to use it and how to add it to your TradingView account and how to use the data to find the buying and selling indicators. Alright, let's dig in. Alright, for new accounts, things you needed to get the OnePunch Algo plugin for free or paid account in TradingView. Link provided in the video description, so you guys can subscribe. If you don't have a TradingView account, you can have a free account or a paid account. It's up to you guys. TradingView is not one of my companies or a software. It is belong to a big trading software, trading company, which shows analytics, a lot of news, a lot of information about stocks. And I'm just a developer, plugin developer, third-party plugin developer who created the OnePunch Algo plugin, which gives me buying and selling signals. Alright. Second, subscribe to my channel, OnePunch Algo YouTube channel, and leave a comment with your TradingView username so that I can add you to the account. Alright, so once you are added to the account, this is how I'm gonna activate it. This is how you guys are going to activate the OnePunch plugin. You have to go to a chart, something like this, and then click indicators, and then click invite only scripts, and from there pick the OnePunch Algo hard buy, sell, and date range version 1. So once you guys done that, let me show you guys how it will pop up. So right now I don't have the plugin. I'm gonna go for the indicators and script only, invite only script, and then I add the OnePunch Algo plugin. So now you can see all kind of data popping up here, right? Yeah, this is how it will look like once I activated the plugin. For new traders who are not using candlestick charts, I recommend you guys learn what are candlestick charts. It is super important when you are using this plugin. All right. Now, I'm assuming now you have an account with TradingView. You have activated my plugin. Now, how to use or understand OnePunch Algo plugin data? This is a screenshot of what happened with EKSO stock today. It went up 135%, and there are 4 times the date OnePunch Algo gave data for me to like buy and sell in a really good perfect scenarios. So before I'm going and dig deep into the OnePunch plugin, I want to say this plugin really works for momentum stocks and high volatile stocks, and you guys have to start studying the plugin using like a paper trading account or something like that, just for the startup, and understand how to use the plugin and be familiar with it without putting all your money and start doing trades. So having said that, let's dig in. All right, so buying indicators. Soft buy indicator. So what is a soft buy indicator? First green outline yellow candle, right? So first green outline yellow candle formation in high volatile stock. It's also called momentum buy. So let me show you what this is for the today's EKSO stock. Right, so I'm going to activate some of the artwork I did here. Right, so here this is the momentum stock buying indicator. This is soft buy. As soon as you see, let me also run some replay so you guys will be able to like see what happened at that specific point, right? And so it comes up like that, and there you go. At that point, when it comes up green, it will turn yellowish color if the plugin found the indicator for a buying opportunity. So this is a replay, so it's not showing you the yellowish color as I played, but if you see in the morning, you will be able to like find the indicator for the first buying opportunity, and you can buy in at any point at this when you see the first greenish yellow candle. All right, so that's what a soft buy indicator means. So hard buy indicator, first green outline white candle. So this is what it looks like, a green outline white candle formation after a red outline white candle. So first time you see a green outline white candle after a red outline white candle, is going to be a hard buy. Let me show you what happened today with EKSO stock. So after hours, it went to 7:30, and then it stayed at that until 4:53, and there you can see a bunch of white candles, right? So the first white candle is a red outline white candle, and the second one is also a red outline white candle. So the third one, you can see there's a green outline, right? So according to the PDF, first green outline white candle formation after a red outline white candle. So this is a perfect opportunity to buy this stock, right? All right, so after, let's say you brought it at this point or even this here, there are a couple of opportunities for you to like just sell it. You can see in this location there's a hard sell, there's a soft sell here, and there's a bunch of hard sells. So you can actually make money just following the software. All right, so I'm sorry, I thought I mentioned the selling indicators. All right, sorry. Going back again for the selling indicators. All right, so what is a hard sell indicator? First, red outline yellow candle formation after a green outline yellow candle. So first red outline yellow candle, I call it reddish yellow candle, and after a greenish yellow candle, it's a hard sell. So today in the morning, let's see where this big indicators happen. So in this case, you have the first yellow, greenish yellow candle, and that's the buying opportunity. And then the second one, there is a reddish yellow candle formation, but that reddish yellow candle formation, it's not that big of a deal because the open and close happen in the same time. So you go and check the third one, and again there was a greenish yellow candle formation. So that means you are still okay to go ahead. But the fourth candle formation, that gave a bigger yellowish yellowish red outline yellowish candle, right? So that's the first indicator to sell this point, this stock. So let's say I bought it at this area, and then I sold it at this area. This is still 15% within 7 minutes. All right, moving on. What is a soft sell indicator? First, red candle formation, like a complete red candle formation after a green outline yellow candle. Okay, so let's find out a scenario like that for this talk today. All right, so here, first, after a while, stock after let's say I sold at this point here, and then after a couple of minutes later, 1 hour 29 minutes later, there was a yellow candle formation, a greenish yellow candle formation. That's where I'm gonna buy. But again, there's a small reddish yellow candle, but it's not that big. Like when I said not that big, the candle needs to be at least half of this size for me to like think there's a trend reversal. So this stock is really a good stock for today. There's FDA approval, amount of shares floating, and outstanding shares is also relatively low compared to most of the other stocks. So I know having something like this is not a big of a deal. So I am going to still hold on to it until I see a bigger reddish yellow candle. So there you go. All right, so first, this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th candle here. It didn't came nice, so let's redo that. All right, so there's actually a bigger selling indicator, right? This here. So if I share the PDF again, first red outline yellow candle formation after a green outline yellow candle. So so that point I would sell, but fortunately I was able to sell at this top today. But let's say this is the first point that you're gonna bail out, right? So let's check for more points where I was able to buy and sell the momentum. All right, so third buying point indicator. So there is another yellowish, greenish yellow bar, and then here after a greenish yellow bar, there is a soft indicator for a sell. So if I share my PDF, it says first red candle formation after a green outline yellow candle. So it matched what it said in the PDF, right? So the first red bar formation with the greenish yellow bar, then that's a soft sell. I would sell at this point, because even if it is soft sell, that's a bigger puffy reddish bar. All right, so now there's another buying indicator at fourth. So at that point I bought some, and then again at this point I sold some. So that's how the software is used. I will do a recap again. A soft buy indicator in a momentum stock or a high volatility stock has to be a first greenish yellow candle. Hard buy indicator needs to be the first green outline white candle of, after a red outline white candle. Hard sell indicator is the first red outline yellow candle formation after a green outline yellow candle. And then the last one, soft sell indicator, is going to be a first red candle formation after a green outline yellow candle. Right, guys, thank you very much. Have fun with your threads. Please do give reviews, comments about the plugin. I can do a lot of improvements with your feedback. Also, please share the YouTube channel with others, share this video with others, and let them know about this plugin as well. I'm giving away this plugin for first 1,000 subscribers for the YouTube channel for free, lifetime free. So take that opportunity as well, and let your loved ones know about the opportunity. All right, thank you very much.